Welcome back to the Mid-Year YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the solution to our space problem. Be sure to stick around.
So we're at the movies, huh?
Yep, we're at the movies.
The plan is to make the new garage, the work garage. It's 30 feet deep and 33 feet wide, has 3 garage doors in the front, 1 man door and 1 window. So it'll be a nice space for us to work. So in one of the last videos I talked about that we were out of space, and this is the solution to that. My dad's putting up a nice garage right behind the house, but we should be able to fit 6 cars in here back to back with nothing else in here. We're probably gonna have stuff at least in one of the corners, you know, cabinets, a compressor, workbench, that kind of stuff. So we should be able to fit 5 cars in here. And the Misfit's not gonna have any bumpers, so there'll be more clearance, and I'll have to check the wheelbase on a Camaro. But we'll be able to fit a good amount of cars in here. This will probably be the spot where we do a lot of the dirty work, and we'll store the other cars, the nice cars, in the other garage. That'll be like the showroom. So this will be where all the work happens. They have this one pillar up, looks like they're getting ready to put the next one up tomorrow. They got everything all ready for the concrete, so that might be going in this week. We're not gonna have any water in here just because we have a spigot right over there, and then there's the sink in the other garage, and that just takes up more real estate. So we're just focusing on the important things. Having room for the cars. I have 3 garage doors in the front, I have a man door over here, and the window overlooking the sweeping landscape through here, which would be really nice. And the contractor wanted to sink the garage down lower, so that way the roof line of the house is higher than the roof line of the garage. So it'll be a nice garage whenever it's done, but it's coming along. They've been working at it for a while. I've been waiting till they actually have some real good progress before I started to show you what was going on, instead of just having a hole in the ground. They moved a ton of material with those 2 machines back there. We have a whole lot of dirt back there now. A lot of fill. But it's coming together. Well, the garage is fully framed out, including the roof and all the garage doors. So now we can kind of get an idea of how big this thing is going to be. And it looks like we should have plenty of room for shenanigans in here. So if we take a walk through the man door opening over here, it looks like they got the roof all shingled up. Went away to an auction this weekend, so I missed a couple days of progress. They got all the plywood down on the roof, got all the shingles on. I think all the shingles on. Yep, the back's done. Yeah, it's looking good. It's kind of funny the way how far it sunk down in here, because you can pretty much walk up to the roof and just reach up and touch the roof. It'd be nice to clean the gutters on this side. Oh yeah, it looks good. So about a month or 2 passed by since I filmed the other part, but inside the garage, all the wiring is done up to the panel. All the wires are hanging out, so that way they could do the insulation, and they put all the drywall up. So all that is ready to rock. Now they just need to do their plastering, and then we'll do all the painting in here. And now we have a nice echoes in here. You can see this is going to be a good amount of space for us to play around in. Have a little attic hatch going up there, and we're leaving the beam exposed. That way we can use that for future shenanigans. Maybe put 1 or 2 little trolleys on there and a couple chain hoists. So now it looks like the guys have all the materials here to do all their plastering. We're gonna have a heater, the same kind of setup we have in the other garage, where it's natural gas. I think it's natural gas, and then it'll be hung on the wall there, radiate down, make some nice heat. Have our split window right here, looking out, which will be real nice. No windows on that side, which will be good because the sun shines in from that side, so it'll keep it shaded in here, it'll keep it cool. And then since the block goes so high up on that side that, you know, shows you how far sunken in the building is, so it should have some natural insulation that way too. And because of the development that the house is in, the garage has to match, which is why there's a lot of bricks laying around. So the bricklayers got rocking. They spent a couple days up front here, about a day and a half or so on the side. That's looking good. I haven't even walked around back yet to see what that looks like. But it looks like, I guess once they get all that, the brick in, gonna finish up everything up on the roof here, get the gutters in, all that stuff, and then eventually start to fill that back in with the soil. I guess it looks like maybe about another day or so they should have the back done if the rain holds off. Got their line drawn out. The buckets are filling up with water. Nice. A lot of rain coming through. But these guys, there's just 3 of them. They're rocking through that. And I don't think they did anything on this side yet. Let's have some bricks. Some bricks just laid out there hanging out. But it's coming along. This side shouldn't take very long. There's not as many bricks over here, and there's no windows or doors to go around, so that should be pretty easy for them. But this is looking good, so I'm hoping that this thing will be finished up hopefully by the end of the month. If the weather holds out, they can get the outside done. Inside hopefully shouldn't take that long, because I've got stuff I want to do inside this garage that you're gonna have to wait to see. But this is gonna be nice. Match the house. Door just needs some painting to match. This thing's gonna be a unit. Gas line on the side to run over to the house. Excited to put this thing to use. I've already done a couple little things in here. I did some drilling and some welding and cutting in here and a little bit of sanding. But I'm excited to make this the full-time workshop. So I just wanted to do a quick walk around the new garage to show you the progress and what the plan is for the garage. I really don't know a whole lot about building houses or garages. You know, cars are more my forte. But I just want to do a quick walk around to give you a high-level overview. And on Friday, I'll have some more car content coming out. So I'll be back to the usual stuff on the Misfit. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I got a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later.